Congratulations with buying the 10th version of our pure-blooded freestyle kite. This iconic kite has reached a major milestone, so we decided to do something big. The 10th edition of the Obsession blends the Obsession and Obsession Pro into one freestyle machine. The Obsession MK10 will come out of the bag with the 4-line bridle configuration, which can be connected with the standard global bar that fits all of our kites. The 4-line global bar attaches to a short bridle with no pulleys. In this setting, the kite turns faster, increases the depower range, provides more lift, more hang time, and is easier to relaunch. In the 5th line configuration, the kite will be more powerful, and it provides a ton of slack. You need to have our 5-line global bar for this setting. When using the kite fully powered up, you can easily unhook and get a very neutral feel throughout the trick, while the kite remains in the correct position. The turning speed is the same as the previous model, the Obsession Pro MK3. Stable when unhooked, but fast enough to kite loop confidently. A very precise and predictable behavior in the air is coupled with a fast turning speed delivered by the super squared tip design. To convert it to the 5th line setting, you follow the next steps. Start with removing the orange bridles on both sides of the kite, starting from point A, then B, then C, and ending with one of the D points. Leave the black pigtail with the 3 knots attached to one of the points, D1, D2, or D3. We'll inform you more about the difference between these settings later on in this video. We recommend to store both of the disassembled orange bridles into the kite bag pocket and keep it clean and tangle-free for a quick and easy future use. The 5th line kit is composed of one central gray Y spectra line and 2 front pre-lines, which are all made in gray spectra. The central Y line has 2 ends, one with loops labeled as point A5L to be attached to the relative attachment points A on the left and on the right of the leading edge. The other end is instead connected to a short black line equipped with 4 knots. These 4 knots can be used as fine-tuning for the correct 5th line tension. The 2 front pre-lines have 2 sides. One side is labeled as attachment point D and is made with gray spectra loops. This side will have to be attached to the black pigtail with 3 knots onto one of the 3 D points. The other side is labeled as attachment front and is made with black loops with a small final knot. This side will have to be attached to the front lines of the bar. You have 3 different front pre-line attachment points, D1, D2, and D3, to be used for different riding styles and different conditions. Point D1 gives you the most bar pressure, the most on-off power, produces the most pop, and the most slack out of the kite, the feeling of a true sea kite. Point D2 gives you a standard bar pressure, more consistent power delivery, and fast turns, the preferred settings of our wake style riders. Point D3 gives you the least bar pressure, the smoothest and most predictable power delivery, and the fastest turns. This equates to big jumps, precise kite loops, and provides the most comfortable experience, preferred by the all-around freestyle riders. Test out what works best for you and take your riding to the next level with your new Obsession MK10.